Hello, in this video we're studying section 1.3 linear functions. Today we'll look at the definition of the slope-intercept form and do problems number 4 and number 5. The slope-intercept form is one of the math nerds' favorites. They love it because it gives us a lot of good information when we utilize it to model the world around us. We notice that y equals mx plus b, where the slope is m and the y-intercept is b. So you write the y-intercept as an ordered pair 0, b. Remember when you have a graph, no matter where your line intersects, here, here, wherever your line intersects, what is the input value for the y-axis? The x value is 0. Here is my y-intercept, x is 0. Here is my y-intercept, x is 0. So just remember, anytime the input is 0, the corresponding output is called the y-intercept. It intercepts with the y-axis. Let's try a couple of problems. Determine the slope and the y-intercept and then graph the line. So we're looking for the y-intercept. Where will it cross the y-axis? And that will be positive 2. Then we're looking for the slope. How do we move? And that would be down 5 and to the right 2. So negative 5/2, that's our slope. All right, the slope is negative 5/2. The y-intercept is 0, 2. Making sure that you can state the y-intercept. Well, you could say b equals 2, and then stating the y-intercept as an ordered pair of 0, 2. All right, let's graph that line. So 0, 2, there's our y-intercept. And then how do I move from there? I begin. Y equals mx plus b. Let's look at that. So m is for how you move on the graph, and b is for where you begin. That might help you, the alliteration. All right, I begin at 2, and how do I move? Okay, I'm going to move down 5 and to the right 2. So down 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and to the right 2. Down 5, over 2. Okay, that is the slope. Then you find another ordered pair on your line, and then you can connect the dots and draw your line. And down 5 over 2, down 5 over 2, down 5 over 2, and you see that slope. It's consistent. Awesome. Let's try number 5. Given the slope is -4 and the y-intercept is 0, 1, write the equation of the line. We know that y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. Can you write the equation of the line? Yes. So y equals -4x plus 1. Can we graph the line? Yes. B is where you begin. So I begin at 1 on the y-axis. M is how I move. Oh no, there's only one number. Not to worry, this is -4 divided by 1. Anytime you have a number that doesn't seem like it's a fraction, you can always put it over 1 and have 1 be your denominator. So I go down 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and to the right 1. Down 4, to the right 1. That is your slope. Then I draw another point on my line and I can connect these dots. And you're all pretending that this is a perfect line, okay? Down 4 over 1, down 4 over 1, down 4 over 1, and that is the graph of your line. Y equals -4x plus 1. Great job!